Good morning, students. Welcome back to your accountancy subject. As you are knowing now which concept we are going to discuss today, here we are with the concept of rectification of errors. Here we are making the correction of our errors. That's what we call here as a rectification of errors. So almost this is the last part, and one or two illustrations we will solve today, and we are going to wind up with this chapter. So almost all the theoretical part with the illustrations we have solved regarding the trial balance, and here other things regarding the rectification of errors. So these two concepts are there in this chapter. So almost we are at the end part. Now almost in advance you have got the questions. In that questions what all corrections are required and how the errors take place, that we are going to see. And here we are with the third part of the errors. Also we are having few of the points over here. Rectification of errors means the errors which affect the trial balance we have seen in the previous session, and the rectification of the errors for the next accounting year. Next accounting year means what? The errors which took place in this year. Just like yesterday I told you, 2019 and 20 there was a balance sheet, and the errors were there in that year, but it was not located. And now in the year 2021, in that year you are going to be locating them and correcting them. That's what the concept was in the previous session. From yesterday's class or session we have discussed it about it. So the same we are dealing with, and the illustrations we are solving over here. Okay, so here let's try to complete two of the illustrations and wind up this chapter over here. Okay, so the question is, the balance of Anurag did not agree. It showed a excess credit of 10,000 rupees. Now here in the trial balance there is a excess amount of rupees 10,000. What is the amount? Excess amount of rupees 10,000 is been shown. Then Anurag put the difference to suspense account. Now the difference what is there? That is what? Suspense account. He is putting the difference to the suspense account. Now he located the following errors. अभी इस अनुराग ने ये जो डिटेल्स है कम से कम 7 errors उन्होंने locate किए हैं. He has found nearly 7 errors which are there. We will solve up one by one and see how we can rectify it, how we can correct it. So first error says that sales return book was overcasted rupees 1000. Now here overcasted is there. Means now actually the cost was different, but you have given 1000 rupees more. So these 1000 rupees are overcasted. Now this is related to which concept? This is related to the sales return. Now here you are going to take it back, right? The entry, this 1000 rupees amount, you are going to take it back by opening a suspense account. Now this will be taken back in the suspense account, this 1000 rupees. So what will be the journal entry now? When you are taking back to the suspense account data to sales return account. The first entry for the rectification of errors. Now we are going to correct these entries. So what we are going to take the first point, suspense account data to sales return account. What is the amount over now here? 1000 rupees is the amount. So it is a 1000 rupees difference that was overcasted. We have taken back to the suspense account. That was the first entry. Now coming to the second point, purchase book was undercasted by rupees 600. Now there is a 600 different to the purchase book. Purchase book, it is a 600 difference. It is undercasted. मतलब कम पे किया है. This was undercasted of rupees 600. Now, almost you have to give it to the purchase account. Now, from where you are going to give it? Directly you are going to get affected to the suspense account. So, second entry, see, I am not giving the narrations. Okay, the narration, the brief explanation of this accounts, I am not giving. Just copy down it from textbook. So, just I will clarify and try to complete the maximum 2 to 3 illustrations will try to complete in today's class. So, your purchase account has to be paid rupees 600 more. So, purchase account data to suspense account 600 rupees difference. So, this was the entry for the second point. Then, next point. Now see, this is very interesting part. Here we are having multiple entries now. How it is? The entry took place how in the sales book. What is the entry C? In the sales book, page number 4. Page number 4 in the sales book carried forward to page number 5. The sales book will be carried forward. The number of pages will be there. The books. Now page number 4 was carried forward to page number 5. Then rupees 1000 instead of rupees 1200 means what? Carried forward rupees 1000 instead of rupees 1200 means this is the difference of rupees 200. This is what? Undercasted. Keep in mind, actually it should be shifted. The carried forward should be 1200, but you took only 1000 means it is undercasted. 1200 रुपए लेना था लेकिन आपने लिया कितना? 6000. So that is what undercasted. And further we are having few more things. Then the total of page number 8 carried forward to page number 5. Now again 8 carried forward to page number 9. 8 to 9 as rupees 5600 instead of 5000. Now here it is overcasted. How much it is overcasted here? 600. आपको लेना था 5000, आपने लिया 5600. Actual amount was 5000, you have to carry it forward. But here you took 5600 overcasted. And here it was actually how much? 1200 you have to take, but you have taken this one. So it is a wrong here. So it is undercast. This is overcast. So the difference between this is 400. Now the entry which we are going to take is this amount. ये overcast सिर्फ एक ही अकाउंट में है. So remember one thing. Just we are talking only about sales. सेल्स बुक, यहां पर सिर्फ सेल्स बुक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो विच वी आर रिमूविंग हियर? ओनली वी आर विद द सेल्स बुक. सेल्स बुक, द इफेक्ट इज गोइंग टू टेक पेज नंबर 4 was carried forward to page number 5. The amount was actually 1200 has to be taken, but instead of this they took 1000. 200 was undercasted. Then page number 8 carried forward to 9. Actually they has to take 5000, but they took 5600. This is overcasted. How much? 600 rupees. So if you see the difference, exactly the difference remain is 400. So here on the basis of this we are going to remove the 400 rupees entry. It will be just like sales account data to suspense account. So what is the amount over here now? 400. So here it got completed. See, any of the time when it is given, the question is been given, overall understanding is most important. Before understanding, without understanding, you would have taken this amount or this amount. Yes or no? you have to understand how the sentence has been framed. Instead of this, this was taken. Instead of this, this was taken. Now this, what it means? It is undercasted. And what this means? Overcasted. If you understand this, you will do this, or else you will go wrong with this. So before solving any of the problems, understand the question first. If you understand the question, there is no problem regarding this. So next, with the fourth point, goods returned to Ram rupees 1000 were recorded through sales book. Now here goods are returned, but you have recording in a sales book. It is wrong now. So what it has to make, you are going to make it is a sales return book. So here what we are going to take, now this has to be make the correction. Now how the correction will be? Here the fourth entry will be sales account data to return outward account. To return outward account. What is the amount over here? 1000 rupees. Next, let's see the fifth one. What is the fifth entry? Credit purchases from Mr. M and company, that is what purchase from M and company, 8000 was recorded through sales book. Now purchase is there, purchase has been made, but it is recorded in the sales book. Now what it means? How the error took place? See, credit purchase of M and company 8000 was recorded through sales book. Now here this is what you are going to make the correction. First, purchase account data, sales account data to M and company, company's account. So what it is? 8000, 8000 and 16,000. So here what it means, see, credit purchase has been made. How much rupees in from M company? So it is 8000. So in the purchase book it was debited. Then further, even in the sales book, actually what they had done, that has been taken to the sales book. Now sales book, why it has been taken? It is, if it is taken to the sales book, it should be have made the credit. Revenue is always credited. Got the thing? Remember the points. When the rules are there, you have to apply the rules over here just to understand the concept. If you apply the rules, it is your answer will be easily found it out, or else you are going to go wrong over here. Purchase account, when you purchase, it is debited. Agree that? Then here it is paid in the sales book. Now sales book you have to take back the money, right? Now how you are going to take? Now that sales account is debited over here. Means you are taking back the money from the revenue what you had got, right? So here it will be just like this. The account is 8000, 8000, total 16,000. That's it. Then let's see one more. Credit purchase of Yes and company, rupees 5,000 were recorded through sales book. However, Yes and company was correctly credited. Here, Yes and company, it was credited, but it was recorded again to the sales book only. Now, how the thing is going to be? Just like this only, you are going to have one more entry over here. Purchase account data, then sales account data to suspense account. So here the amount is how much? The amount is 5,000. Done. So this is the fifth entry. Then one more is remained. salary paid rupees 2000 was debited to the employee's personal account. Here it has been taken to the employee's personal account. So almost this can be taken as a salary account data to the employee's personal account. This is the entry for the correction. Almost just by reading it, you have to understand the expenses which are being made. So what it is taken to the personal account. Now that has to be paid to the salary account, right? So how it would be, that is what the correction is been made. The last entry stands over here for this illustration is salary account data to employee's personal account. What is the amount here? 2000. So this is what one of the illustration number 4 what we have taken. Now one more illustration we are going to discuss. Now let's see what all things are there in that. This is illustration number 4. Then one more, I will be taking illustration number 6 now. Let's see one by one the illustrations what are been given. Here, trial balance of Anand Ram did not agree. It shows an excess credit of rupees 16,000. Here there is an excess credit, excess amount of rupees 16,000 over here. Then he put the difference to suspense account. Full stop. Here subsequently the following errors were located. Here we are going to remove the suspense account over here now. And here we are going to see almost what all things are there. So I need to make a difference over here. I have not removed the suspense account for this. Just I will make this side. So other side you all can see that. I need to remove suspense account first, then we'll go for the other account. So I will try to get in this corner, just in a small part. The suspense account in short I am going to remove over here. Just I will dictate it. Just understand the concept over here. See, here the first amount was taken as a purchase book was undercasted. So here you are going to take purchase of rupees 600. Then one more we are going to take sales 400. And then purchase again we are having 500 and sales 5,000 it is. Now this took place. The total will be just like for 11,000. Then coming to the other side, the difference as per the trial balance, the difference as per trial balance is 10,000. 10,000 is the difference as per the trial balance, and here we are having sales return thousand. So these accounts get tallied. So this is what the suspense account what we remove over here. That's it. This much is the part for this account. These things will come, and even we are going to have one more suspense account for this as well. So let's see the illustration over here now. The illustration says that the name is of the Anand Ram. He did not agree about the things, and here 16,000 was the excess amount. Here I will write up over 16,000 is the excess amount. This is what the excess amount which you have found, and the following errors are been given for us. So first error, cash received from Mohit rupees 4,000 was posted to Mahesh account. Now here it is a wrong entry. Actually it was received from Mohan, but it is posted to the Mahesh account. So now here the entry will be taken on in the name of Mahesh account as well as in the name of suspense and the Mohan's account over here. So here we are going to have the more entries over here. The first stands with the cash received from Mohit. Here, sorry. Cash received from Mohit's account is 4,000 rupees. Was posted to the Mahesh account 1,000 rupees. See, there is a difference of rupees 3,000. So actually it was to the Mohit's account, but it is posted to the Mahesh account 1,000 rupees. Now remaining 3,000 where you are going to post, and that you are going to show here. So it will be just like Mahesh account data. It was posted only 1,000 rupees. Then next suspense account data 3,000 which is remained to Mohit's account 4,000. That's it. This is what the entry. Here the wrong entry which took place was this. Actually the Mohit has given you have received the 4,000 rupees amount, but what happened over here, you posted to the Mahesh account 1,000 rupees. So again there is a difference of rupees 3,000. So here to complete this error, correct this error, this entry is taken over here. Okay, come to the second point now. Check for rupees 5,800 received from Anurag. We have received the check from Anurag. Then how much rupees it is? 5,800 in the full settlement of his account of rupees 6,000 was dishonored. Means 6,000 was the full amount. So where I should write? Yeah, I will write 6,000 was there, but you have received 5,800 rupees. Okay, so this was dishonored. No entry was passed in the books on dishonor the check. Now dishonor the check means what? There was a discount allowed of rupees 200. This is the discount allowed. So actually it was 6,000. He paid 5,800. That was dishonor. And here you can say here it was 2,000. Sorry, 200 rupees was it? The discount. So Anurag's, is it Anurag or Arnav? It is, sorry. The name is Arnav. Data, it is 6,000. Actually, the account was to be paid is 6,000 and he has paid rupees 5,800. So it can be taken as a, he has paid the check means it is to bank account. It is 5,800 to discount account 200. So this is what the entry for this Anurag's account. He should have paid 6,000, but it was dishonored and given the discount of rupees 200 over for this. As we can see, the rough work I have written, and this is what the exactly the entry for this. And see, you are going to write the narration. Just you can copy down the narrations later. It is been told check received from Arnav. It is the name is Arnav. I am spelling it as Anurag. Sorry for it. Arnav of rupees 5,800 was in full settlement on his account for rupees 6,000. Actually, it should have made this, but he has made full settlement by paying rupees 5,800. Means the owner has given him the 200 rupees discount. Then dishonored but not entry was made in the books. So in the books it was made, but in the books it was not mentioned. So this account took place. Then further, third one, rupees 800 received from Khanna, whose account was previously been written off as bad, was credited to his account. Now see, here the bad debts were recorded in the previous year for this Khanna's account. So what he has made of rupees 800 received from Khanna, he has paid rupees 800. Now this has to be passed over here. The entry has to be passed. So how it will be? Here bad debts recovery. Actually, when we are not getting paid up amount, so we call that amount which is not received as a bad debts. So for this bad debts, we are going to pass the entry over here. So it will be just like third entry, Khanna's account data to bad debts account. So amount is about 800. So this is what the entry for this. Actually it was previous year. So we mentioned it as a bad debts and this year he paid it. So it was taken as a bad debts account. So he is paying. So his amount of rupees 800 was made as a bad debts. Then next, fourth entry, credit sales to Manav of rupees 5,000 was recorded through the purchase book as 2,000. Now this is what the difference amount of rupees, how much it is been told. Manav's credit sales of Manav was 5,000 was recorded through the purchase book as a 2,000. So here there is a difference amount. Actually it was told here for 5,000, through the purchase book it was 2,000. So here we are going to have the Manav's account affected account data to, first thing, purchase account to sales account. So how the things are going to get affected? See, here it is been told credit sales was made. For him it is a, for us it is a sales. Credit sales we have made of rupees 5,000. Then coming to the purchase book, it was recorded how much? 2,000. Then the total to the Manav's account is 7,000. This is what the thing has been told for us. Then as you can give the narration for this, credit sales to Manav was 5,000, wrong recorded through purchase book rupees 2,000. Here the wrong entry was made of this 2,000 rupees amount. It was this amount. So the Manav's account will be just like paying this 7,000 rupees. Then fifth one, purchase book under casted rupees 1000. So it is very simple entry. This is what under casted entry, purchase account data to suspense account. 1000 rupees is under casted over here. That's it. Means actually, for example, as we can say, 5000 they have taken place of rupees, purchase of rupees 5000 was taken place. You have paid only, recorded only 4000. Means 1000 is remained. That is what under cast. You are valued under casted here. So it was 1000 rupees. Again, it was adjusted to the purchase account. Then coming to the next sixth entry, repairs of machinery rupees 1600 wrongly debited to machinery account 1000. Now here we are having the difference of rupees 600. So exactly repairs account, next it will be repairs and maintenance. It is repairs account data. The amount, the whole has to be written over here. The amount, what is the amount for this? 1600 is the total amount. But how much is been given for you? The machinery account 1000. Now what is the difference amount over here? That will be directly told to suspense account. $600. So even this got completed. Whenever we are making any of the difference amount is been there, directly we have to take it as a suspense account. For that purpose only the suspense account will be removed over here. That has to be understood. And this suspense account is for the illustration number 4. I will be removing the one more account for illustration number 6 as well. And 2 more illustrations which are remain, you can practice, and if you have any of the queries you can let me know later. Then last entry, it is goods returned by Natu, rupees 3000 was taken into stock. No entry was recorded in the books. So here the entry has not recorded. It is a sales return entry. So what it means, sales return account data to Natu's account. Which was not recorded, directly it is been told, which is not recorded into account. So this is what the entry. So here we complete all the rectification of errors. It was given for us, the rectification of errors, the errors which took place are this. Now the same thing, whichever are been taken to the suspense account, we are going to take it, and then we are going to just make the difference. What it was told, 16,000 amount was excess, then remaining amount what is been taken, we'll see that. We'll go for the suspense account and end up with this. So almost even we are having the time restrictions, so even I will get disconnected very fast now. Just I will try to complete this illustration. Now this is the suspense account number, illustration number 8. So here what all things are there? Let's see. Suspense account, wherever the amounts are been taken, that has to be written over here. Let's see one by one. The entries are been given. Now where it is, purchase, wherever the purchases are there. 2000. The entries which are been given, I will just try to write over here. The suspense account, here it is, here it is. See, purchase is 1000. See, this is what suspense account. I will just mark it out where it is. Suspense account, here it is, suspense account. It is what it is, repairs. 600, then one more, only two are there, only two suspense account we have taken over here, and one more is here it is. So it is debit sided, it is. So this is credit sided we took, this is debit sided we are going to take. So it is what? Mohit is how much? 3000. Now the difference which was mentioned in the account, what it is been told? 16,000. The total becomes 19,000. 19,000 is the total now here. Then make it correctly. $19,000 difference. Then other side, make the 19,000. What is the difference amount now here? Balance carried down it will be. What will be the difference now here? 17,400. Yes, 17,400 will be the difference amount. So here it is a suspense account for this illustration what we have solved, illustration number 6. Whichever the suspense account you are removing over here, that amount will be shown in such a way. So this is what the suspense account what we call over. Now any of the queries are there, you can ask. So we are ending with this chapter which names with the trial balance and the rectification of errors. If any of the queries are there, you can ask. And if a few of the problems which are there, illustrations which are already solved one, just you can go through it. If any of the queries are there later as well, you can ask me anytime. So today we are
No, sir.
end up with this chapter.